If you suffer from spending countless hours completing your books, then I've got some important information which you need to hear right now. Hi, I'm Michael Martian, and I'm a chartered accountant in private practice. What I will soon reveal is the exact system I use to help my clients eliminate the need to spend hour after hour maintaining a set of books, and replace it with a process that saved them thousands in potentially lost tax savings. You see, during the last 15 years I've spent working for other accountants and with their small business owner clients. One thing has kept repeating as the biggest single roadblock to producing a set of accounts that help minimise tax. And that's how traditional accountants work with small businesses. Quite simply, old-fashioned accountants rely on, even insist, the business owner to keep their own accounts and books, or even make them pay for expensive bookkeeping services, both of which fail to minimise tax. The result is that you're forced to spend a mountain of time up late each night and all weekend just to keep things up to date. If you're doing it old school using spreadsheets or, God forbid, using a paper method, this time sink just gets bigger. Worse, you constantly worry about not knowing if you're doing it right. The problem that I've seen, in my experience, is that a number of things fall through the cracks during the year which are lost by the time you find out, most often well after the close of the financial year. But you know what the ironic part is? Really, it's not so much ironic as it is more a disgrace. And that is the sad fact that regardless, you will end up spending hours, even days of your own private time putting together a set of books, even after it's been past the bookkeeper, if you have one of those too. And these books rarely maximise tax write-offs simply because the accountant will just process the information you give them, no questions asked. That's the law. No more, no less, just no questions asked. And this is the dilemma that you face right now. It's hardly safe, is it? Don't get me wrong, I fully understand that none of this is your fault. I get it. You're just a poor victim of poor thinking and business practices ingrained over the decades that your accountant, and even your bookkeeper, have been trained to believe, even brainwashed into, that this is the only way to do the job. Now obviously that's far from the ideal situation to be in. But thankfully, there is a solution to this problem, and it's called StartRight, specifically created for small business operators. I invite you to come find out more about StartRight and what it can do for you. Just enter your name and a valid email here on the right. There's a place reserved specially for you, but you have to act fast as it will only remain open for a limited time. I look forward to meeting you again, but you do need to act now.